Hello. Welcome to another eDialer tutorial. This video will be about the difference of using the eDialer web phone and a third-party soft phone to register an extension created in the ViciDial system. In the ViciDial system, in order to receive phone calls, it's required to have a soft phone or desk phone set up. To know more about the phone extension and how to set up in the ViciDial system, you can check out our previous video. How does the ViciDial system work using a soft phone? From the ViciDial agent interface, type in your phone extension credentials. Then, the agent user login credentials. As soon as you click submit, the soft phone where you registered the ViciDial extension will ring. It's a must for the agent to answer the call and keep it answered while logged into ViciDial system. How does the web phone work in eDialer? In eDialer, there's no need to download or install a third-party soft phone. You only need to install Google Chrome on your computer and have a good stable internet connection. When you log in, just type in your phone and user credentials, and you're ready to go. Please note that an Allow Microphone notification will pop up at the top left corner of the browser page during your initial login attempt, after clearing your browser's cache, or even when you log in using Chrome Incognito. This is for inbound selection. Your dialer administrator can allow users to select the in-group, like this, or a blank page. Either way, just click submit and you're ready to go. For any other eDialer concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to our friendly e-toll-free customer service by going to our website and clicking the chat icon at the bottom right of the page. Thank you for choosing eToll-free's eDialer system.